Good morning, Papua New Guinea. Name below me, I'm Joe Chinao. Now, me plus a deal one time. Pico hydro and micro hydro power blow plus. Now, Pico hydro, all machine only can generate him also 3 kilowatt. Me play any can quantum micro hydro level up to 30 kilowatt, but me play can lulu going up to 75 kilowatt. This is all machine. So what me play encourage him all man is look seems la training manual blow mean the study. Once you study finish, me play can go through one time you one-to-one training. Now help him you look or seven creek blow you lo determining power size belong this la creek or stream. Now milak sok sabe os all kata wara na creek only got different potential power. Only got different potential power. So kisi men will blow me. So now me ba go along page 2 blow presentation by me looking page 2 this la information that Mibla need him. Time you look him. Mibla need lo sabe lo head, flow rate, head lo vertical height in meter, flow rate lo liters per second. Now Mibla must sabe lo distance. Now you read him this line lo here. Time you check him. Mibla must sabe lo what am something you like recently lo use him as la power. So Bibla must have a long total connected load. You must have a passive inside lo place play you or when him something you like use him long you must have a load. This la load. It must be in watts or kilowatts. So time you like put him this la you must scale him too. By God some la future load increase. So this la all kata you put him low data blue na time you look him long this la total connected load here it must be less than total connected load it must be less than your potential power. Mibla la calculating potential power blow wara and power blong emigati only call him potential power. Now, potential power, it must be greater than the total connected load so that by no got problem time Mibla set him the start him. Because suppose connected load is greater than potential power, then you got problem long overload inside the community blue and all people but complain or say all knocks in power because potential power Emi less than connected load. M1 area where me blah training you load this la. Now you look at this la. You come down lo basic head na data lo here. You can look him water head in meters, flow rate in liters per second. Now this la but me blah can work him out power. Papua New Guinea M system lo me blah M240 volts, 50 hertz. Okay, you may go to next slide. Now, lo here, the basics. Lo really understanding basics belong power, belong hydro. You must sabe lo this la 3 plus something again. Emi head in meters, which is the vertical height. Vertical height, you look at no diagram here, and from the intake. Blow pipe you put in no liquid them blue or water come down low here and back behind me come in up long inlet long this la turbine that is the vertical head. Now Mipla ba showing you how to measure him this la vertical head. You can use him surveyor or he got appropriate technology stuff lo Mipla showing you inside the training manual blow me. Now distance m lo this la intake long pipe here come down low intake low turbine. That is your distance. Distance low pipe by you running long this la project blue. The distance long water important because affecting pressure drop. The pressure drop cause him this la height low here. lo drop na ba you kiss him lig power ta solo here. So you kiss him and will blow me na you read him na ba you understand him na. Teba mi pla deal one time you can come to here na you look him. This la teba lo this la area mi pla sebe mon bla creek long Bukawa. Now, me plus still waiting, no funding, no kissing, no put him. That's a 4 kilowatt single phase 240 volts generator. And by walk long 14 liters per second, 8 meter head. Lo desla wara can give him desla the 4 kilowatt long 8 meter head. Okay, he got all kind legal turbine stuff too where you can kiss him, na put him no place blue. Desla all one turbine. Only depend lo head, na only depend lo distance, na depend lo flow rate in liters per second. So lo training manual mi blaba line you lo how lo measure him head, how lo measure him flow rate, now how lo measure him distance. Now mi can calculate him potential power. Blow wara blow you. Now you may go to next slide. Sorry, next slide, this law. So you can look him gravity come down lo water ek lo water creating this la pressure tam lo here. Now people interest lo this la pressure equals to rho GH. Rho GH density times gravity times height. That's the liquid pressure. Time you pass him this valve, you put him on the pressure gauge here, but you can see him reading whether it's in PSI, pounds per square inches, a kilogram per centimeter squared, or bar. This la all units for pressure you really need to understand him. The training manual for me give you the basics for pressure. Me need to understand him pressure. So read my manual, get my manual. So this is liquid pressure. Time me plus have rho GH. Now people can calculate him potential power. Now this la rho GH liquid pressure you multiply by flow rate which is in liters per second. Now you back him watts. You will get watts. Now suppose you got big water through Nekam, you back him how much 1,000 watts. You divide him by 1,000 and you will get kilowatts. So inside of the training, like rho GH, this line density of water is 1. Now gravity is 9.8 meters per second. And big man walking this la tubular penis and fixed. You may need to find him height, H. Now me need to find him flow rate. Me need to sabe lo distance lo desla. Now me can calculate him potential power. Go back to page 1 lo me look on top lo you but look him lo here. What we are trying to do is find the potential power. Now potential power minimum power and water all in the stop and power plus the water. Now people need to have a connected load. Now connected load it must be less than a potential power. So get my manual. Deposit 50 kina account lo me Westpac bank account lo lay 6008666498. Now me blah WhatsApp me electronic copy lo desla training come lo you really need lo read him na understand him. And then me blabba give you one-to-one training. Once you feel him Hamamaslo Desla, then let's go and survey your creek. Now once you survey him creek, believe in me potential power. We have two choices. One, because you make a potential power penis. We can order your turbine directly from overseas to suit your flow rate, your head, and your distance. All you do is kiss him tasol, walk him cement, na bolt him go down, put him water, na use him power, and 1. Number 2, lo bukawa, where people have been going all man no got money, so people need to improvise. So no can throw me all bicycle wheel or rim lo car or some blow up iron or plastic or PVC pipe. You got way lo walk him own turbine you by improvising using appropriate technology. So that's why people are giving you direction can help him you so that you walk in power, blow you yet low place. All Papua New Guineans, you me are intelligent people. We are creative and we are innovative. All we need is information and some black and supervision and training like this. Lo empowering more people blow you me to do it themselves because now you may look him. Rural economy, it depends on power. Thank you very much, Papua New Guinea.